In this video, we listed the 5 best soldering iron on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JCD908S Soldering Iron. The JCD80W electric soldering iron features an LCD digital display and adjustable temperature settings ranging from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various soldering tasks, including electronics repair and DIY projects. Designed for both EU and US plug compatibility, this soldering iron operates at an input voltage of 110V, 220V and boasts a high heating rate with a temperature stability of plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. It includes a ceramic heating element and comes with a 1.4 meter cable, weighing approximately 96 grams. The product is CE certified and offers a calibration mode for precise temperature control. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike, it is packaged with multiple interchangeable tips for different soldering needs. Number 2. FNIRSI HS02 Soldering Iron. The FNIRSI HS02 Smart Soldering Iron is a versatile and portable tool designed for efficient soldering tasks, featuring an adjustable temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius with a stability of plus or minus 2%. It operates on a voltage input of 9-20V and is capable of delivering a maximum output of 100 W, supporting fast charging protocols like PD and QC. The soldering iron is equipped with a 0.96-inch IPS color display for clear temperature readings and includes features such as automatic sleep mode and static protection. Its ergonomic CNC body design ensures a comfortable grip, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The HS02 is available in various packages, including multiple accessories like a Type-C adapter and tool bag, catering to different user needs. With its quick heating capabilities and user-friendly features, the FNIRSI HS02 is an essential tool for precise soldering and repair work. Number 3. Alientek T80 Soldering Iron. The Alientek T80 and T80P Smart Soldering Irons are innovative tools designed for efficient and precise soldering tasks. They feature an adjustable temperature range of 80 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius with a stability of 2%, ensuring consistent performance across various applications. With a power output adjustable from 18W to 100W, the T80P can melt solder in just 2 seconds, making it ideal for quick repairs. Both models include a 0.87-inch OLED display for clear visibility of the working status and support fast charging protocols like PD and QC via a Type-C interface. Their ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, and their lightweight, portable construction makes them suitable for on-the-go soldering needs. With a focus on energy efficiency and rapid heating capabilities, the Alientek T80 and T80P are perfect for both professionals and hobbyists looking for reliable soldering solutions. Number 4. FNIRSI HS01 Soldering Iron. The FNIRSI HS01 Soldering Iron is a comprehensive and efficient tool designed for effective soldering tasks, featuring a compact and portable design that makes it ideal for mobile use. With a power output of 65 W, it ensures rapid heating and maintains a stable temperature, which is crucial for precise soldering. The soldering iron includes safety features to prevent the release of harmful vapors, complying with safety standards. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling during prolonged use, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The FNIRSI HS01 is versatile enough for various applications, from electronics to crafts, and is an essential addition to any toolkit, providing reliability and efficiency in soldering projects. Number 5. ZOYI ZT-N1 Soldering Iron. The ZT-N1 is a smart soldering tool designed for efficient and precise soldering tasks. With dimensions of 196mm x 19mm x 19mm, this device is compact and easy to handle, making it suitable for various applications. It boasts a maximum output voltage of 96 W, ensuring robust performance for a range of soldering needs. As a smart device, it offers enhanced functionality and convenience for users looking to achieve high-quality soldering results. Priced at $17.99, it presents a cost-effective solution for both professionals and hobbyists in the electronics field.